Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Notion with a page ready. First, choose whether you want an embedded live clock widget or a native Notion formula. If embedding, copy the widget URL from your provider. If using a formula, add a date property and optionally a text property for display formatting. Once done, make sure the page has an embed or database block available. This gets you into the actionable path quickly, so you can implement the clock without extra setup or delays. Next, implement the clock using one of two routes. For widgets, type /embed, paste the widget URL, then resize and allow third-party content if prompted. This shows a live clock. For a native approach, add a date property, then a formula property using format date to render time. You can include seconds or AM/PM formatting and reference time zone offsets in the formula. Once the clock appears, test by changing device time zone to confirm it updates correctly and looks aligned with your page design. To finish, place the clock where it's most visible, header, callout, or database view, and then lock the block to prevent accidental edits. Make sure your formula displays consistently and format text size for readability. If the embedded clock fails to update, refresh the page, clear cache, or repaste the widget URL. If permissions block embeds, enable third-party cookies or allow site content in your browser. One key troubleshooting tip: test in an incognito window to isolate cache or extension conflicts before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.